Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you an easy way to jailbreak your Firestick, or in other words, to get hundreds of apps which are not available in the official Amazon App Store by default. This way, you'll be able to watch movies, TV shows, live TV, as well as live sports for free, or even play games on your Firestick. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to set it up on your device. So first of all, of course, you have to get an app called Downloader to your device. You can get it for free from your official Amazon App Store. You just go to search on your device, and there in the search bar, you gotta start typing Downloader. And now, as you can see, the Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app. Let's click on Downloader, and there's the app that you gotta get to your device. But now, after you got Downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. So in order to actually set up Downloader on your device, you have to go to the settings by clicking on that button with a gear icon. Then you have to scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Let's open it. And from here you have to locate developer options on your Firestick device. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Firestick devices, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, it's actually easy to make them appear. You just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you'll have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times. And do it fast, so let's do it. As you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So, if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have appeared for me right here. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install known apps. From here, you just have to locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now, finally, we gotta go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here. We open it, and there's the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN, because they're super fast, they got a great app for Firesticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Italy right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. Means no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Firestick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now with the camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we're gonna go to Downloader, open it up, and wait until the app loads for you. Then here, on the left side menu, it's very important that you click on Home and not on Browser. So once again, make sure that you have clicked on Home. And now in that search bar, we'll have to enter a link, which is going to be applink.store. So once again, it's applink.store. So there's the link, you can see it on your screen right now. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, then your link is not going to work. After that, you have to click on go, and while the website is loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you will get even more content about Firesticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video, it really helps me a lot. And now, after that website has opened, you just have to click on download app linked at the top of the website, and now the download is going to start in a couple of moments. Usually it doesn't take long. Then you just click on install, and now Uplink will be installed to your Fire Stick or your Android TV, depending on your device type, of course. And then, after it was installed, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you will have an option to delete the installation files. So click on done, delete and delete. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your device and save yourself some free space. And that's super important, because by default you don't have too much of free space on your Fire Stick anyway. After that, we have to go to the settings on your Fire Stick again, back to My Fire TV, to developer options, install unknown apps, and this time we have to locate Uplink, oh there it is, and turn that option on as well. It's a must because we'll be using Uplink to download other applications from the internet. And now finally let's go to the list of apps on your device right here, open it, and there's the app linked, which we just downloaded. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way app linked is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN running to stay safe and out of trouble. Then finally let's open app linked on your Fire Stick device. And from here you basically have 2 options, so you either scroll down and here you'll find app categories such as live streaming, movies and TV shows, games, sports, utilities, verified apps, so their apps are going to be separated by categories, or just go to public stores right here, so let's click on public stores, and here you'll find all of those apps from all those categories, but they are not separated, so all of the apps are piled in here. And basically here you'll get hundreds of apps of all kinds, such as movies, TV shows, live TV, sports, IPTV players, media players, VPN apps, spice applications for grown-ups, games for your Fire Stick, and so on. I just had to blur out my screen here because of YouTube rules, but in your case, of course, it's not going to blur it. Basically, you find the app that you want to get to your device, click on it, click download, and it's going to be installed. Hope the video is helpful and see you next time. Bye bye.